Hey guys, Dustin and David here with Pine Acres RV Stewiacke. We have ourselves a 2016 Tracer Air. This unit is very light, weighing 5,200 pounds. We have pass-through storage underneath the bed, large awning, LED lights underneath the awning also, wide track tires, and 2 exterior speakers. David, take them on inside.
Sure thing, Dustin. Right on in. It's got the thermal package, the underbelly on this unit. Great counter space. We have 6 cube gas and electric refrigeration. This little couch makes into a bed, as well as the dinette over here. Top, great little living space, and the cabinetry just looks great in here. Inside the bathroom, we have corner toilet, vanity, and a glass enclosed shower. And right on down through here to the master. Got us a queen bed with a couple windows, storage. And here we are from front to back. This is a 26 that packs a big punch here at Pine Acres RV, Stewiacke, Nova Scotia, exit 11, Pine Acres.